a lot of questions asking if we would do a summary on Blac Chyna's lawsuit against the Jenners and Kardashians. I think it would make for a really good podcast episode, but until we can get to that, I thought it would provide you with a high-level overview and a summary of what's going on, so when you read some of the other coverage, you can be a little bit better informed. So Blac Chyna originally filed this lawsuit in 2017, and it was against nearly everyone in the Kardashian-Jenner family, except for Caitlyn Jenner. Back then, Rob was also named as one of the lead defendants, but the court decided to sever off her claims against him because they had additional allegations in them, like one is for revenge porn, so that's being handled entirely separately. Kourtney Kardashian and Kendall Jenner were also dismissed from the case early on, so that's why the trial is only against Kris Jenner, Kim Kardashian, Khloe Kardashian, and Kylie Jenner. So like Johnny Depp's case against Amber Heard, one of the claims here is defamation. And at the highest level, the facts alleged are that Blac Chyna believes that the Kardashian Jenners went to executives in charge of her reality show with Rob on E! And claimed that she had gotten physically violent with Rob, injuring him. And California has special laws that apply to people that are public figures. I'm going to actually read it, so apologies if I'm not looking directly at the camera here. I just don't want to get this wrong. So California's libel law states that she can't recover damages unless she proves by clear and convincing evidence that the Kardashian Jenners published the defamatory statement with actual malice. Mere negligence just isn't enough. Blac Chyna has to demonstrate that the author, in fact, entertained serious doubts as to the truth of this publication or acted with a high degree of awareness of probable falsity. So that's what she has to prove that the Kardashian Jenners did with that defamatory statement. As I mentioned before, this is not the only claim in the case. So even if she can't prove defamation to this standard, she still has other claims in the case. What's been interesting to me so far is that Blac Chyna doesn't deny wrapping a phone cord around Rob Kardashian's neck and pointing an unloaded gun at him, but she claims it was just in jest and that she never actually injured him. And that's where the difference is. She's claiming there was no injury, whereas she's saying that the Kardashian Jenners told executives that there was injury and that there was some physical abuse here. We can tell from the Kardashian Jenners defense counsel's opening statements here that one of their defenses is going to be that the show was canceled because Rob and Chyna broke up. You can't have a show about their relationship if there isn't a relationship. And they want to say that it wasn't because of any bad mouthing they did. What's unclear to me is whether they're saying that they never did the bad mouthing or whether they're trying to distance themselves from her damages, which is the money she missed out on from the show being canceled. And I'm curious to see how the defense develops, what's going to happen in this trial. I'm sure everyone watching this is also interested to see what happens in the trial. So we're definitely going to try and keep our finger on the pulse of it and provide updates whenever we can. If you can follow this page, share it with people. If you like our legal coverage, that would be so amazing. And thank you for following us and listening to the Bravo Docket.